Karigumbada minister, Karigumbada industrialist, aduga Karigumbada high profile music damak different types of security guard provide to Bugitangai Futaba, Sarkar Gimafom Dalai. Aduna, India Damasiki complete arrangement, NSG, ITBP, CRPF, CISF Amadi, Atopa police officers Singda, Masiki Minister of the Dietary Video Sibi and Giri Kudimapu. Ahan Mamaktada, Noble Voice Kimagiri Taram Nokchiri. Masiki video sida Bharata karam type ki security level karam makal gi miye singda masi provide tori bano haibu gi matangda chawak information khara mayam mafumda share tawjari aduna video sibulo following biduna hiram sigi kanaraba idea singsi khaminarasi ahan bada Bharata karam type ki security available ori bano karam bana khwaidagi hena strict ori bano ato papuna maktagi kayam hena khena bano masida karam bamye singda karam ba type ki security provide togani ahum subada masipuna maksi karam na manage togani masigi matangda priorly frame tawduna leiraba guideline amagi makhada pangthokani hojik karam bamye da karam ba type ki security phangba darkar ogani masida kari leibagi darkar ogani masipun maksigi guideline mafam anida available ogani ahan bada blue book masida president vice president amadi prime minister gi security cover gi complete guideline provide to rigani ani subada yellow book masida atopa vip sing vvip amadi political person singi phangba yapa security level gi matangda guideline provide to rigani karama matamda kanabu karamba category gi security provide to bagi darkar oyani haibana chingbugi matangda Ministry of Home Affairs na different security agencies singi matengda gi decide to bani aduga asumna state government gi su masagi tongan ba criteria amam lejari bani karigumba presently khoina haiba taragadi supnagi central government ki list khakta aduguma mioi chani ga kunthada asigma different type of security provide to bi masigi list asi emergency ki tungina henba amadi taba yabagi provision su leri bani masi supnagi central government ki list khakta possible oyani state government ki su masagi tongan ba list amam lejari bani aduna Bharat Sarkar ki lengak system ki makhada VIP singda level 3 ki security cover provide to bani khudamoina X Y Y plus Z plus amadi SPG aduna hojik mathang amam da oina masigi function singsibu khaminarasi ahan bada SPG security haibadi special protection group masi elite force amani supnagi prime minister Narendra Modi khakta security cover gi damak SPG security provide to bani hojik ekhoi khamduna yengsi masigi security budget kaya organi yabasi aduna 2020 ki budget ki tungina SPG security ki damak Bharat Sarkar na rupees 592 crore allocate toki maduda modern security equipment amadi infrastructure ki damak rupees 145 crore spend tawjagani adubu 1981 fawbada India ki prime minister ki security Delhi police amadi intelligence bureau ki special task force ki makhad leramni but 1984 da former prime minister Indira Gandhi ki assassination ki tungdadi security strengthen tonobagi damak home ministry ki magedigi review committee ama set up toki Birbal Nath committee sigi recommendation dagi April 1985 ta SPG security established toki madu SPG category haraka khamne aina mangda su panjakhrabaduni Bharat ta supnagi prime minister khakta da masigi security asi provide to masida total security personnel kaya provide to bono haibasidi classified information ama oiduna lai haibadi masigi akakna ba masing publicly available oite masigi security level sida SPG natraga national security guard na prime minister gi security cover to rigani mathang sidi Z plus security masi Bharata second highest security level amani masida 55 security personnel na arrangement punmak meeting thamlibani masigi 55 security personnel singsigi manungda Chaurakna National Security Guard Commando taradagi suhina yauribani March 2021 gi central skitungna almost 40 VIP सिंगदा Z+ security provide toduna lakli amaramda masi so classified information oibana masi gi list publicly available oide masi speculation ki tungin namasida Rahul Gandhi, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Yogi Adityanath, Priyanka Gandhi, ex-Prime Minister Amadi, Leibaki ate atopa important persons Amadi, high-profile ministers, Supreme Court Amadi, High Court judges, army heads, amasung prominent personalities singda masigi category sigi security provide tawduna lakli. Hajik sarkar da category sigi security provide tawbada kharcha ki potum kayam dakar ogani hairagati Z+ security की cost almost 20 lakhs per month aduga Z security की cost na 15 to 16 lakhs per month oiribani aduga masi ki sanfam si sarkar na taxpayer money dagi pay tawbani amaramda adugumba mi kaya amasu lebi makoi ki cost of personal security makoi masagi lanai pocket ki bear tawji khudamaina Mukesh Ambani masagi different level of security ki expenditure masana bear tawi masina maram oiraga miyamna sarkar da Y category security Kangana Ranaut ki mafam da provide tobagi reason hamrakhi maramdi Kangana Gumbi well established actress amana masagi security cost masana reimburse tobangamjai taxpayer gi money unnecessarily karigi use toribano tasengna maksu yamna chumlabo ofumni public responsibility to leitaba personality amagi mafamda taxpayer money use tobati public property bu misuse toba sabotage tobaga amani masita humthokti public property bu mafam matam amadi maram chana use tobagi daita ruling government adugi mathakta akannaba strategy kaya instrument kaya priorly frame toduna thamnari ngaktani mathang sidi jet category ki security masigi security level sida 22 security personnels involved oribani masida national security guard maridagi manga fawba amadi police personnel su involved oribani masigi security level sida Delhi police ITBP amadi CRPF ki personnel sing provide toribani Z+ amadi jet level security animakta bulletproof vehicles manga amadi escort vehicles manga dagi suhena include tawi mathang sidi Y+ category masigi security level sida security personnel taramathoi involved oiribani aduga masida national security guard amanatraga anisu involved oiribani adugi sumathakta personal security officer PSO anina rotational basis ta matam khudingda VIP ki nakta leribani masigi security level sida maru oina CRPF ki personal singa cover tawi mathang sidi Y category security masigi security level sida pulapna personal security Nepal involved oribani masida commando amanatraga ani loyana police personnel su yauribani masida su personal security officer anina rotational basis ta VIP ki nakta matam khudingda protect toduna legani aroibada X category security masigi security level sida police officer amanatraga ani su involved oribani Bharat ayamba VIP singi nakta X amadi Y category security usually provide to be masini Bharata different types of security level available oiribasi masi matam amadi situation ki tungina khajik flexibility oibasu jai khodamoina Rahul Gandhi na chingba political person kharadagi SPG security withdraw tawkhibagi pau media ta thingkhibusu yawi aduna video sidigi khoina Bharat ta from different types of security gi maramda kana raba idea khara phangani haibagi asa thamjaraga mayam dagi bidai lawjare tekta kaidana punsi himbiyu matham video da amu unarasi thank you bye bye